Kidney dissection day. Blackboard explanation.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Sheikh Farhan. I am 10th standard student. I am explaining about biology 4th chapter excretion. Now internal structure of kidney. This is cortex and this is medulla. This is nephron and renal artery, renal vein and hilus. This is pelvis, ureter and calyces. Now human excretory system. Parts, two parts, kidney, ureter. External structure of kidney. Color reddish and brown. Shape bean type. Position abdominal cavity. Size length 10 cm. Breadth 5 to 6 cm. Thickness 4 cm. Weight 120 gram to 170 grams. Internal structure of kidney. Dark outer zone cortex. Pale inner zone medulla. Each kidney contains 1.3 million to 1.8 million nephrons. Thank you.
Apparatus means material required. Pair of reddish brown kidneys. Kidney model. It shows external structure, ureter, artery, vein, and this is internal structure which shows medullary pyramids, pelvis, hilus, and other things. This is compound microscope with two lenses and one mirror and two adjuster. This is dissection box. It contains blade, slide, needle, forceps, gloves, scissors, etc. External structure. This one is upper portion and this is bottom portion. This is ureter, renal artery and renal vein. Observing outer and inner zone. Let's do it. First we have to cut the kidney into two equal parts. Then we will observe the internal structure of kidney. I am using curved scissor to cut easily the kidney into equal halves. Now I am using blade to cut the renal artery and renal vein. This scissor will help to cut the curved portions easily. See how we are cutting the outer portion. Now this is inner portion we are cutting. Now see here. No, I will again cut it with blade. Now it's over. See the inner pale color of the medullary zone and the outer portion is dark in color, which is called as cortex, and the inner one will be called as medulla. Carefully see. Now I will separate both halves, then we will see internal structure. Observing medulla, calyx, hilus. Now we will remove first medullary pyramid layer like this. This layer we are removing to see the internal calyces. We will cut out the first layer like this. Yes, this branch-like structure present inside the medullary pyramid are called as calyces. This fine branches like structure is calyces. And this is hilus, from where ureter exits the kidney. And this is pelvis, region between medullary pyramid and hilus is pelvis. Now we will remove the excess part like this. Yes. Now this is medullary pyramid between calyces. Let's observe the pathway. This is medullary pyramid, which contains collecting duct, and many nephrons are connected to collecting duct. Nephron filters the urine and make concentrated urine, which will be collected into collecting duct, and the collecting duct opens into pelvis, and then formed urine will be transferred into ureter. Let's see the pathway between ureter and pelvis. See, pelvis opens into ureter. I am using blade to show the pathway like this. Let's remove the protective layer. First we will cut some portion to make a hole in protective outer layer like this. See, this is the thin protective outer layer of kidney, which protects kidney from accidental shocks. See, I am removing this layer. Carefully cut. Now I will use my hand to take out this layer like this. See, we will remove complete layer to see the reddish brown color of kidney. See, this color is reddish brown color. Now I will cut. See, the complete kidney comes out. See, the reddish brown color. This color is reddish brown color. All of you carefully see a reddish brown color. Let's observe complete dissection. This is the complete dissection of kidney. Left side kidney shows upper portion, lower portion, renal vein, renal artery, ureter. Carefully see that renal vein, renal artery and ureter are completely differentiated and classified into three different pipe-like structure: renal vein, renal artery, ureter. And the right kidney shows inner structure: medulla, pelvis, hilus, cortex, calyces. Explanation of dissection by Ayan.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Ayan of 10th class. Kidney dissection: upper portion, lower portion, renal vein, renal artery, ureter, medulla, pelvis, hilus, cortex, calyces.